The life hacks, amazing inventions and gadgets we have shared in this video are meant to help you spend less time on routine and solve annoying problems. There are many home ideas that will help you spend more free time. This video is about inventions and gadgets of 2022. We will be talking about new inventions of 2022 you can buy right now without regrets. Stay tuned to the end of the video and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Number 14. Banana Peeling Robot. Peeling a banana is such an easy task that even a monkey might and sometimes will do it. For golems, peeling a banana may be a shockingly troublesome task. We're not asking them to punch elements from sheets of metal or move solid objects from one place to another. Peeling a banana needs finesse. Peeling a banana additionally requires spatial awareness. Not like the parts of a car, for instance, bananas are available in different sizes and shapes, which means the robot can't merely repeat an identical set of motions over and over. Instead, it's to grasp wherever the banana is, what half it has to grasp, and the way to maneuver its robotic hands. Used even with the vanguard of machine learning, it's still solely booming a bit over 0.5 of the time. In fairness to the robot, we have tousled easier tasks. Number 13. Theragun Pro. Why not treat someone or yourself to this potent massage gun? Given how stressful this year has already been. As a percussive treatment device, this latest gadget simply thumps your muscles quickly in order to have the same calming effects as a soft tissue massage. Between exercises, take aim at your achy arms and legs to recover more quickly, get rid of lactic acid buildup, and return to the game stronger than before. This deep muscle massager targets your trigger points, increases blood flow, and releases those torturous knots with fast, penetrating percussive therapy. Reactivate muscles throughout your effort or any activity by mistreatment your Theragun for 10 to 15 seconds on the muscle group. Number 12. C-Seed M1 Unfolding TV. If you want a large screen smart TV for your house while also wanting to conserve some room, Most Amazing Inventions is the best choice for you. This cutting-edge LED TV includes all of the most recent features, including adaptive gap calibration (AGC) and 4K micro LED technology for vivid colors and great contrast. Oh, and did we mention that it can be folded? Yes, you heard it right. Unlike traditional televisions, which can take up a lot of space, this one is foldable. Number 11. Fire HD 10 Kids. If you're shopping for a baby aged between 3 and 7, the HD 10 is certainly to keep them occupied. It's got a pleasant massive display, a biennial guarantee that gets you a full replacement if it's broken, and access to many acceptable apps, books, and games. This is often a kid's bill and has all the identical options because the tablet above, however, simply comes with a smaller 7-inch display. We tend to love the colored case that protects against the inevitable drops and bumps, for which you can get the same biennial guarantee. Number 10. Oral-B Genius 1000 Electric Toothbrush. The best smart toothbrush from Oral-B will help you keep your smile bright and your dentist satisfied. Oral hygiene is crucial. It is simple to control according to our GHI professional testers, and they all agreed that it significantly decreased plaque levels. There are 6 different cleaning settings, and a pressure sensor lets you know when you're brushing too vigorously. The Oral-B Pro 1000 is the greatest electric toothbrush, according to our analysis of more than 100 hours of study, interviews with dental professionals, consideration of practically every model, and extensive testing at the sync of 36 different toothbrushes. Number 9. Halo Rise. A brand new alarm clock with a ton of sensors for tracking speed is called the Halo Rise. You can monitor your sleep stages and patterns in the Alexa app after it tracks your breathing patterns and environmental factors in the room, such as temperature, light levels, and humidity. A built-in clock and a light that warms up gradually, simulating the sunrise, are features of this new invention. Since it has no cameras or microphones, it will use your existing Alexa speaker to receive voice. Number 8. Amazon Kindle Scribe. Since the release of the first Kindle tablet, Amazon has come a long way, but they have been slow to include the pen as a feature. You can now take handwritten notes, write notes on the books you're reading, and generally use your Kindle more thanks to the Kindle Scribe. The tablet also offers one of Kindle's best screens, allowing you to read outside in direct sunlight. Moreover, there is a warm light option for you when you want to unwind and prepare for bed. Number 7. Health Body Scans. What if I tell you simply, we'll live all of your health metrics like weight, muscle mass, heart health, vascular age, and a lot of just by stepping on a scale? Sounds fascinating, right? It's all doing able with the Things Body Scan, a much-needed innovation within the health industry. individuals can simply track their health standing and obtain benefit from the insights they get from the scanner. This scale is presently trying regulative tests before being out publicly. The dimensions even incorporate a Withings app that gives you personalized health plans as well. Number 6. Sony Airpeak S1 is a drone. The use of drones is increasing exponentially in our lives, each directly and indirectly. Sony has introduced one such drone named Airpeak S1 that's capable of carrying the Alpha Advanced camera system that permits skilled photographers and content creators to require shots from totally different heights. Airpeak S1 could be a fashionable drone and acts as an ideal contraption for professionals and would increase the potential of motion picture photography shots to give a different level. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. This present is ideal for the tech enthusiast who enjoys trying out the latest gadgets. According to experts who gave the Flip 4 a mostly favorable assessment, the Flip 4 is what occurs when you mix a smartwatch with a phone. When not in use, its 6.7-inch primary display can be folded in half, much like an old-fashioned flip phone. Additionally, the phone has a tiny 1.9-inch display on the back that allows you to check information like the time and notifications without opening the smartphone. Despite its fancy screens, the Flip 4 boasts a strong battery life and makes a large phone pocketable. Number 4. HP Spectre X360. Here is another functional device by Smart Solutions. HP's Spectre X360 is a super Windows laptop computer with an attention-grabbing design, snappy performance, and a formidable 10 hours of battery life on one charge. It's conjointly a 2-in-1, so you'll convert it to pill mod, complete with an inherent stylus during a pinch. Number 3. Blink Mini Pan Tilt. This brand new add-on is compatible with Amazon's current small smart home camera. It adds new panning functionality to the Blink Mini, enabling 360-degree room views. The Alexa app will let you operate the camera. The first default home position is a 90-degree tilt position, straight up and down, front-looking from the base, and a 180-degree span position from the USB connector. You may manually set or adjust the default home view once you are in live view. You may put your camera back in a previously stored location by choosing the default view option. Number 2. Skydio 2 Plus. Drones are the future, significantly sharper drones getting very fashionable among people for many wise reasons. With this new invention, you get 20 additional battery backups and management varies in conjunction with its keyframe technology. Inside the keyframe app, users can preset one or more flight routes that are autonomously flown and recorded by artificial intelligence. The application even permits you to need the same route all over again and again to induce a perfect shot. Number 1. Alexa Voice Remote Pro. The Voice Remote's professional appearance terribly kind of like the quality Voice Remote, although it's a touch shorter at 5.8 inches compared to 6.2. Amazon has eliminated a number of the unused area at the bottom. However, the distinction isn't obvious once you're holding it. All remotes are comfy and have a comparatively intuitive button layout. The Voice Remote Professional is slightly busier, since it relocates the settings button to form mains for 2 customizable buttons. However, if you've used any of Amazon's remotes, this one can instantly feel familiar. Another new button is found in the upper right corner of the remote. There is a headphones icon on it. However, pushing the button truly brings up your Fireplace TV's on-screen Bluetooth menu. That's wherever you'll be able to quickly combine a collection of Bluetooth headphones or earbuds. Thanks for watching.